Today government is having its own challenges. I would say, it might be a strong statement, but I would say about 30% of government employees today might be parallelly running their own businesses. If they are self-employed, it's a very good opportunity for them, but it's time for them to decide whether they want to do a government job or whether they want to be self-employed in the side business which they do with. And I'm going and writing a letter to the Chief Minister also now, asking him to thoroughly form a team and investigate into the people and maybe look at citizen approach also, the informers to be rewarded, because this is a time we understand that if the government person wants to be involved in side businesses, looking at self-employment, that should be his priority. We can get fresh blood. We have a lot of people looking for opportunities. Those people can find employment. This is on the government side. Coming back to the industry, if it is a vacancy pool, once we have identified the vacancy pool, the next thing we ask for skilling. A couple of pharma companies, couple of other companies we spoke to, we started skilling, but it did not take off as it was required to satisfactorily go ahead. Now we are trying to understand how to bridge this gap.
दरम्यान असे सरकारी कर्मचारी शोधून काढण्यासाठी सेंटिनल ॲपच्या धर्तीवर एक योजना सुरू करावी लागेल असं त्यांनी सूचित केलं.
पण 30 जवळजवळ माझ्या एस्टिमेटाप्रमाणे जवळजवळ 30% government employees are involved in running side businesses. Now if there is a side business and it is self-employment, for him it is a very good thing. We are setting an example, but he can't do both. So he has to decide to run his self-employment and get out of the government thing. One is, there are deserving candidates who are waiting for government jobs. At the same time, if we need to give proper administration and governance, it becomes important that the people who are responsible as government employees at various levels give deliveries as public servants to the people of Goa. It cannot be that they have taken a government job which they run and they also do their side businesses. And ताज्या खातीर CMकडे बरोवन I will ask for a special task force if required to be formed to get into this. I will also request की सेंटिनल स्किमा प्रमाणे तशेंच एक इन्फॉर्मर जाले तांकां रिवॉर्ड कर आनी सोदून काड कोण गव्हर्मेंट लोक आपले काम सोडून सायड धंदे करतात ते कोण पार्टनर आसा रेस्टॉरंटांनी कोण आनी कितें आसा हे सगळें जें चल्लां आय थिंक समवेअर इट हॅज टू स्टॉप इफ यू आर टॉकिंग एट गुड गव्हर्नन्स दीस इज अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर देम टू गो. पयर म्हाका दिसता मोदीजींनी बरो एक दिलो की ही डीड अ कंपल्सरी रिटायरमेंट. I think these are strong statements which need to go from every state government also, which will allow the state to run its administration effectively, create new employment opportunities also, की भुरगे रावले भुरगे सगळ्यात रावता गव्हर्मेंट जॉब फ्रेश ब्लड आयले एखादी फ्रेशनेस येतले तेय जाय जाल्यार जे कोण सायड धंदो करता तांकां गव्हर्मेंट धंदो करप एक गव्हर्मेंटाचें काम कर आनी एक म्हणना तुमची प्रायोरिटी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट आसा मरे. इट्स अ गुड एक्झाम्पल यू आर क्रिएटिंग. गो एंड डू दॅट सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, डोंट बी ऑन द गव्हर्मेंट साइड.
सो सेंटिनल स्कीम काढू शकता तुम्ही इथून.
I'm writing to CM, it's a personal department and a GAD under administration which comes. But when we're looking at employment policies, we're looking at this, we find that a lot of this type of things which are happening, where even children who are deserving to be and maybe looking also for government opportunities are declined because they do not find this space. जे कोण गव्हर्मेंट करता सिरियसली तांकां गव्हर्मेंट करूनी, जे गव्हर्मेंट आनी सायड बिजनेस करता तांकां तांची प्रायोरिटी घेवनी, पूण इन्फॉर्मर्सांक रिवॉर्ड करप, हाजेर टास्क फोर्स घालून हाजेर चॅक करप, हे मुख्यमंत्र्याक लेटर बरयतलो आनी हाजेर मागणी करतलो की एक टायम बाउंड करचो. तातूंत एक seriousness of government people who are working also will be seen.
Has the department received complaints on these issues?
It's not government. I think you are media. You are also conversant to what I am talking. It's only that somebody has to spell it out, and I have spelled it out. So it has to start somewhere where we need a serious whip is required, because we cannot keep blaming the system कि सरकारचे काम जायना हे जायना की एकदा तो officer is more involved in running his own business rather than being in the government seat. And ती accountability न जाल्ल्यान गव्हर्नन्स सारकें जायना.
पण अशें मनीस जर मेळ्ळा तुमकां समजा तर तेंच्या तुमी कारवाय कशें करतले?
न्ही तेंच तुमकां सांगलां हांवें. फर्स्ट एज अ लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिनिस्टर, सिन्स आय आयडेंटिफाय दीस एज वन ऑफ द इशू, I will highlight this through a proper letter to our Chief Minister. Chief Minister, being the head of the state, with the Council of Ministers, will have to discuss this issue, deliberate and go. But I am very clear of the opinion that informers हाडले तेन्नाच accountability वाडटली, आनी जे कोण गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड आसात और जातात सायड बिजनेसीन तांणी तीच प्रायोरिटी घेवची, और वॉट एवर एंड गो देर गिव दीस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू फ्रेश ब्लड.
तुम्ही अपील केले पण तेंचेर कारवाय कोण करतलो?
तेच मुख्यमंत्र्याक बरोबरच करचें पडलें न्ही एज अ गव्हर्मेंट वी हॅव टू डू इट इट इज माय इनिशिएटिव्ह टू टेक दिस थिंग्स अहेड वी विल हॅव टू एन्श्योर आय विल टॉक टू सीएम आफ्टर रायटिंग द लेटर अँड सी दॅट दिस थिंग्स आर टेकन टू
सर ती बिझनेस आहा पळय ती तेंच्या नांवार आसना तेंचे पेरेंट्साच्या नांवार आसा बायलेच्या नांवार आसा.
डिटेल्स
So
पहिले
ते
एकदा
how you
सीएमान
going to take
सीएमान
it?
जेन्ना एकदा
कित्याक म्हाका
हाजेर
दिसता
सीएमान
उदकां
एकदा
घालना.
हाजेर हात फुडें व्हेलो की ताजेर मायनर पॉयंट जे आसा कशें कितें तें काडया मरे इन्फॉर्मर्स वील बी रिवॉर्डेड जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना खुबश्यो गजाली ऑटोमॅटिकली भायर सरतले